வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 6 டேர்ம் 3 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 2 த போஸ்ட் மௌரியன் இந்தியா. இந்தியா மௌரியருக்கு பின்னர். Let me recall some few points. In term 2, we have studied about the chapter from chiefdoms to empire. In that, we have discussed about the rise of Magadha Empire. So, the Magadhan Empire was ruled by 4 dynasts, and the last dynasty was the Maurya dynasty, which was ruled by Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusara, Ashoka. See here, the last Maurya ruler Brihadatta was killed by his commander Pushyamitra Shunga, who established Shunga dynasty. So in this lesson, we are going to see what happened to India after the Mauryan dynasty. Let us start with the learning objectives. To acquire knowledge of the history of dynasties means Vamsangal and kingdoms that emerged after the breakup of the Mauryan Empire. To gain an understanding of the polity, அரசியல், society, சமூகம், economy, பொருளாதாரம் and culture, பண்பாடு of various kingdoms that were established in the south, north and northwest of India. To become familiar with their contributions to early medieval India. Introduction. The breakup of Mauryan Empire resulted in the invasions means entering of Shakas, Scythians, Parthians, Indo-Greeks or Bactrian Greeks and Kushanas from the northwest. In the south, Satavahanas became independent after Ashoka's death. There were Sungas and Kanvas in the north before the emergence of Gupta dynasty. Chidis, that is Kalinga, declared their independence. See the flowchart. Post-Mauryan India. So in the north, Sungas and Kanvas. In the south, Satavahanas. Similarly, in the northwest, Indo-Greeks, Shakas, Parthians and Kushanas. It has to be noted here that though Magadhan Empire ceased means stopped to be the premier state of India, it continued to be a great center of Buddhist culture. மகதம் முன்பிருந்தது போல ஒரு பேரரசாக இல்லாது போனாலும் அது தொடர்ந்து பௌத்த பண்பாட்டின் முக்கிய மையமாக திகழ்ந்தது. Now let us see about the sources. சான்றுகள். Archaeological sources. தொல்லியல் சான்றுகள். Inscriptions or copper plates. கல்வெட்டுக்கள் அல்லது செப்பு பட்டயங்கள். அயோதா inscription of Dhanadeva. Persepolis Nasik Rastam inscriptions. Moga Taxila copper plate. Junagadh or Girnar inscription. Nasik eulogy. Eulogy means pugal, praise. Inscription of Darius I. Second sources, coins, நாணயங்கள். Coins of Satavahanas. Coins of cut pieces II. Roman coins. Now let us see about the literary sources. இலக்கியங்கள். Puranas, Gargi Samhita, Arshacharita of Banabhata. So Banabhata wrote Arshacharita. Maghabhashya of Patanjali. So Patanjali wrote Maghabhashya. Brihasthagatha of Gunadaya. Madhyamika Sutra of Nagarjuna. Buddha Charita of Ashwagosha. So Ashwagosha wrote Buddha Charita. And Malavika Agnimitra of Kalidasa. Foreign notice. அயல் நாட்டவர் குறிப்புகள். Huansang, the Chinese Buddhist monk and traveler. The Sungas and Kanvas in the north. The Sungas. The last Mauryan emperor Brihadatta was assassinated by his own general Pushyamitra Shunga, who established his Shunga dynasty in Magadha. Pushyamitra made Pataliputra as his capital. Pushyamitra's kingdom extended westward to include Ujjain and Vidisha. He successfully repulsed means stopped the invasion means entering of Bactria king Menander, but Menander managed to keep Kabul and Sindh. Pushyamitra, who ordered, that is opposed, முறியடிக்கப்பட்டது, an attack from the Kalinga king Karvela. He also conquered Virdaba. He was a staunch means strong, தீவிரமான follower of Vedic religion. He performed 2 Ashwamedha yagas, that is or sacrifice, to assert his imperial authority. தனது பேரரசின் அந்தஸ்தை நிலைநாட்டுவதற்காக இருமுறை அஸ்வமேத யாகம் நடத்தினார். வாட் இஸ் அஸ்வமேத யாகாஸ்? ஒரு நாட்டின் அரசன் தனது அரச குதிரையை தனது வெற்றி கொடியை அதன் முதுகு பகுதியில் கட்டி நாடு முழுவதும் திரிய விடுவான். அதை பிடித்து மடக்கும் வேற்று அரசன் மேல் படையெடுப்பு நடத்தி அவனை வெற்றி கொண்ட பின் குதிரை மேலும் தொடர்ந்து செல்லும். மற்ற மன்னர்கள் எல்லாம் அவனது ஆட்சியை ஏற்றுக்கொண்ட பிறகு சக்கரவர்த்தி என்று தன்னை கூறிக்கொள்வான். பின்னர் அந்த குதிரையை கொன்று அதன் கொழுப்பை விட்டு யாகம் செய்வான். During the Sunga period, stone was replaced by wood in the railings and the gateways of the Buddhist stupas as seen in Bargut and Sanchi. Pushyamitra was succeeded by his son Agnimitra. This Agnimitra is said to be the hero of Kalidasa's Malavika Agnimitra. So Kalidasa wrote Malavika Agnimitra. In that, the hero was Agnimitra. The drama also refers to the victory means victory of Vasumitra, Agnimitra's son, over the Greeks on the banks of the Sindh river. The weak successors of Sungas constantly faced threats from the Indo-Bactrians and Indo-Parthians. சுங்க வம்சத்தின் பின்வந்த அரசர்கள் வலிமை குன்றியவர்களாக இருந்ததால் சுங்க வம்சம் சரிவை சந்தித்தது. The Sunga dynasty lasted for about 100 years. The last Sunga king was Devabhuti. He was killed by his own minister Vasudeva Kanva. So Vasudeva Kanva established the rule of Kanva dynasty in Magadha. Importance of the Sunga period. The Sungas played an important role in defending means பாதுகாத்தல், defending the Gangetic Valley from the encroachments of the Bactrian Greeks. Pushyamitra and then his successors revived Vedic religious practices and promoted Vaishnavism. புஷ்யமித்தரும் அவருக்கு பின் வந்தோரும் வேத மத நடைமுறைகளுக்கு புத்துயிர் ஊட்டி வைணவத்தை வளர்த்தனர். Sanskrit gradually gained ascendancy and became the court language. சமஸ்கிருத மொழி படிப்படியாக ஏறுமுகம் பெற்று அரசவை மொழியானது. Patanjali, the second grammarian in Sanskrit, was patronized by Pushyamitra. சமஸ்கிருத மொழியின் இரண்டாவது இலக்கண அறிஞரான பதஞ்சலியை புஷ்யமித்ரர் ஆதரித்தார். Though Pushyamitra persecuted Buddhists during his reign means rule, the Buddhist monuments at Bargut and Sanchi were renovated and further improved. புஷ்யமித்ரர் பௌத்தர்களை துன்புறுத்தினாலும் இவருடைய ஆட்சி காலத்தில் தான் பர்குத், சாஞ்சி ஆகிய இடங்களில் உள்ள பௌத்த நினைவு சின்னங்கள் சீர் செய்யப்பட்டு புதுப்பிக்கப்பட்டன. The great stupa of Sanchi and the railings which enclose it belong to the Sunga period. King Kharavela of Kalinga was a contemporary means சமகாலத்து of the Sungas. We get information about Kharavela from the Hathigumpa inscription. The Kanvas. The Kanva dynasty produced 4 kings and their rule lasted only for 45 years. The history of Magadha after the fall of the Kanvas is devoid of any significance until the emergence of the Gupta dynasty. கன்வ வம்சம் 4 அரசர்களை மட்டுமே பெற்றிருந்தது. கன்வர்களின் வீழ்ச்சிக்கு பின்னர் குப்தர்களின் எழுச்சி வரை மகதத்தின் வரலாற்றில் குறிப்பிட்டு சொல்லும்படியாக எதுவும் நிகழவில்லை. The Kanva rulers were Vasudeva, Bhumimitra, Narayana, Susarman. The last Kanva ruler Susarman was assassinated means கொல்லப்பட்டார் by his powerful feudatory means குறுநில மன்னர், chief of Andhra named Simukha, who laid the foundation of the Satvahana dynasty. Now let us see about Satvahanas in the south. The Kushanas in the north and the Satvahanas in the south flourished for about 300 years and 450 years respectively. That is, Kushanas in the north for 300 years and Satvahanas in the south for 450 years. Simukha, the founder of the Satvahana dynasty, is said to have ruled for 23 years. His successor was his brother Krishna. So after Simukha, his brother Krishna came. Krishna and his nephew means Sagodriyin Magan Satakarni ruled for 10 years each, establishing an empire holding control over a vast area stretching from Rajasthan in the northwest to Andhra in the southeast and from Gujarat in the west to Kalinga in the east. Satakarni is said to have performed 2 odd sacrifices, that is Ashwamedha Yagna, indicative of his imperial position. Gautamiputra Satakarni was the greatest ruler of the family. In the Nasik eulogy means Pugal, published by his mother Gautami Balasri, Gautamiputra Satakarni is described as the destroyer of Shakas, Yavanas means Greeks, and the Pahalavas means Parthians. The extent of the empire is also mentioned in the record. Their domain means Perarasu included Maharashtra, North Konkan, Berar, Gujarat, Kathiawar, and Malwa. Egypt coins are suggestive of Andhra's skill in seafaring and their naval power. கப்பலின் வடிவம் பொறிக்கப்பட்டுள்ள இவருடைய நாணயங்கள் ஆந்திரர்கள் கடல்சார் நடவடிக்கைகளில் பெற்றிருந்த திறமைகளையும் அவர்களது கப்பற்படை வலிமையும் உணர்த்துகின்றன. The Bogar inscriptions suggest that South India played an important role in the process of early state formation in Southeast Asia. Contributions of Satavahanas. Literature, இலக்கியம். The Satvahana king Hala was himself a great scholar means Pulavar of Sanskrit. The Gandhara school of Sanskrit flourished in the Deccan in the 2nd century BC. Hala is famous as the author of Satasalai, Saptasati, 700 stanzas in Prakrit. Art and architecture, Kalayam Kattadakkalayam. The Satvahana rulers were great builders. They began constructing Buddhist stupas in Amravati, that is in Andhra Pradesh. A bronze statue, Venkala Silai, of standing Buddha discovered in Oyo, an archaeological site in Vietnam, resembles the Amravati style. The later Satvahana kings issued lead means EM or bronze Venkalam coins depicting ships with 2 mats. இரண்டு பாய்மர கப்பல்களின் சின்னங்கள். A stone seal discovered in Nakhon Pathom in Thailand has the same design. Gandhara, Madura, Amravati, Bodh Gaya, Sanchi and Bargut were known for splendid monuments means Alagana Ninavu Chinnangal and art. The Madura school of sculpture produced images and life-size statues of the Buddhist, Brahmanical means Veda Mata Kadavul and Jain deities. மதுரா சிற்ப கலைப்பள்ளி பௌத்த சமண வேத மத கடவுள்களின் பிம்பங்களையும் முழு உருவச் சிலைகளையும் வடித்தது. Now let us see about Indo-Greeks, Indo-Parthians, Sakas and Kushanas. Indo-Greeks and Indo-Parthians. After the conquest means capture of northwestern India and the Punjab region, Alexander the Great left the conquered territories under provincial governors, Magana ஆளுநர்கள். Two of its eastern satrapies means Mandala ஆட்சியாளர்கள், that is Bactria and Parthia, revolted means புரட்சி under the Greek governors and declared their independence. The satrapy of Bactria became independent under the leadership of Daetos I and Parthia under Arsaces. After the decline of the Mauryan Empire, the Greek rulers of Bactria and Parthia started encroaching into the northwestern borderlands of India. The Bactria and Parthian settlers gradually intermarried and intermixed with the indigenous population. This facilitated the establishment of Indo-Greek and Indo-Parthia colonies along the northwestern part of India. மௌரிய பேரரசின் வீழ்ச்சிக்கு பின்னர் பாக்டீரியா பார்த்தியா ஆகியவற்றின் கிரேக்க அரசர்கள் இந்தியாவின் வடமேற்கு எல்லைப்புற பகுதிகளை ஆக்கிரமித்தனர். இவ்வாறு குடியேறிய அவர்கள் அங்கு வாழ்ந்த மக்களோடு திருமண உறவு கொண்டு இரண்டர கலந்தனர். இது இந்தியாவின் வடமேற்கு பகுதிகளில் இந்தோ கிரேக்கர் இந்தோ பார்த்தியர் குடியிருப்புகள் உருவாக உதவியது. Contributions of Indo-Greeks. Coinage. Indo-Greek rulers introduced a die system and produced properly shaped coins with inscriptions, symbols and engraved figures on them. Indians learned this art from them. Sculpture, Sitpangal. The Gandhara school of Indian art is heavily indebted to Greek influence. The Greeks were good cave builders. The Mahayana Buddhists learned the art of carving out caves from them and became skilled in rock cut architecture. Sakas. The Indo-Greek rule in India was ended by the Sakas. Sakas as nomads means நாடோடிகள் came in huge number and spread all over northern and western India. The Sakas were against the tribe of Turki nomads. இவர்கள் துர்க்கி நாடோடிய பழங்குடியினருக்கு எதிரானவர்கள். Sakas were Syrians, nomadic ancient Iranians and known as Sakas in Sanskrit. Saka rule was founded by Maos or Moga in the Gandhara region and his capital was Sirkap. His name is mentioned in Mora inscription. His coins bear images of Buddha and Shiva. Rudradaman was the most important and famous king of Sakas. His Junakat or Girnar inscription was the first inscription in chaste Sanskrit. அவருடைய ஜுனகத் அல்லது கிர்னார் கல்வெட்டு தூய சமஸ்கிருதத்தில் எழுதப்பட்ட முதல் கல்வெட்டு குறிப்பாகும். In India, the Sakas were assimilated into Indian society. They began to adopt Indian names and practice Indian religious beliefs. Look at the image of Junakat inscription, Junakat Kalvettu, and the coin of Rudradaman. The Sakas appointed satrapas or satraps as provincial governors to administer their territories. Now let us see about Kushanas. The Kushanas formed a section of the Yuchi tribes, means UC Palangudinar, who inhabited, means lived, northwestern China in the remote past. In the 1st century BCE, the Yuchi tribes were composed of 5 major sections, of which the Kushanas attained political ascendancy over others. யூச்சி பழங்குடியினர் 5 பிரதான பிரிவினராக இருந்தனர். அவர்களுள் குஷானர் ஏனைய பிரிவின் மீது அரசியல் மேலாதிக்கம் செலுத்தி அவர்களுக்கு அரசியல் தலைமை ஏற்றனர். By the beginning of Christian era, all the Yuchi tribes had acknowledged the supremacy of the Kushanas. They had shed their nomadic habits and settled down in the Bactrian and Parthian lands adjacent to the northwestern border of India. அனைத்து பிரிவுகளைச் சேர்ந்த யூசி பழங்குடியினரும் குஷானர்களுடைய மேலாதிக்கத்தை ஏற்றுக்கொண்டனர். தங்களுடைய நாடோடி பழக்க வழக்கங்களை கைவிட்ட அவர்கள் இந்தியாவின் வடமேற்கு எல்லைப்புறத்தை ஒட்டியிருந்த பாக்டீரியர், பார்த்தியர் ஆகியோரின் பகுதிகளில் குடியேறினர். The Kushanas overran Bactria and Parthia and gradually established themselves in northern India. Their concentration was mostly in the Punjab, Rajputana and Kathiawar. Kathiawar is in Gujarat. Kushana rulers were Buddhist. Taxila and Mathura continued to be great centers of Buddhist learning, attracting students from China and Western Asia. The Kushana kings. Kanishka. Kanishka was the greatest of all the Kushana emperors. He assumed the sovereignty, that is power to rule, in 78 AD and proclaimed, means announced his rule by the foundation of a new era. Era means period, which later became Shaka era. The Kushana capital initially was Kabul. Later it was shifted to Peshawar or Purushpura. Cut pieces 1. He was the first famous military and political leader of the Kushanas. He overthrew the Indo-Greek and Indo-Persian rulers and established himself as a sovereign ruler of Bactria. He extended his power in Kabul, Gandhara and up to the Indus. Cut pieces 2. He maintained friendly relationship with the emperors of China and Rome and encouraged trade and commerce with the foreign countries. Some of his coins contained the inscribed figures of Lord Shiva, and his imperial titles, means பட்டப்பெயர்கள், were inscribed in the Kharosthi language. Conquestors. படையெடுப்புகள். Kanishka conquered and annexed Kashmir. He waged a successful war against Magadha. He also waged a war against a ruler of Parthia to maintain safety and integrity in his vast empire on the western and southwestern border. After the conquest of Kashmir and Gandhara, he turned his attention towards China. He defeated the Chinese general Pan Xiang and safeguarded the northern borders of India from Chinese intrusion. இந்தியாவின் வட எல்லைகளை சீனர்களின் ஊடுருவலிலிருந்து பாதுகாத்தார். His empire extended from Kashmir down to Benares and the Vindhya mountain in the south. It included Kashgar, Yarkand, touching the borders of Persia and Persian. Religious policy. மதக் கொள்கை. Kanishka was an ardent, means தீவிரமான Buddhist. Kanishka's empire was a Buddhist empire. Kanishka adopted Buddhism under the influence of Ashwagosha, a celebrated monk from Pataliputra. Monk means Turavi. Though a great warrior, means போர் வீரன், and an empire builder, Kanishka was equal as the exponent and champion of Mahayanism. So Mahayanism is the one section of the Buddhism. Kanishka made Buddhism as the state religion and built many stupas and monasteries, means Madalayangal, in Mathura, Taxila and many other parts of his kingdom. He sent Buddhist missionaries to Tibet, China and many countries of Central Asia for the propagation and spread of Buddha's gospel. புத்தரின் சமய புத்தரின் நற்செய்திகளை பரப்புவதற்காக பௌத்த சமய பரப்பாளர்களை திபெத், சீனா மற்றும் மத்திய ஆசியாவின் பல நாடுகளுக்கும் அனுப்பி வைத்தார். He organized the fourth Buddhist council at Kundalawana near Srinagar to sort out the difference between the various schools of Buddhism. It was only in this council that Buddhism was split into Jnanaism and Mahayanism. Art and literature, கலையும் இலக்கியமும். Kanishka was a great patron means ஆதரவாளர் of art and literature. His court was adorned with a number of Buddhist saints and scholars means அறிஞர்கள் like Ashwagosha, Vasumitra and Nagarjuna. Ashwagosha was the celebrated author of the first Sanskrit play called Buddha Charita. Kanishka founded the town of Kanishkapura in Kashmir and furnished the capital of Purushapura with magnificent public buildings. The Gandhara school of art flourished during his time. The most favorite subject of the Gandhara artist was the carving of sculptures of Buddha. Buddhist learning and culture was taken to China and Mongolia from Taxila. The great Asiatic culture mingled with Indian Buddhist culture during the Kushana's time. Kanishka's successors were weak and incompetent. Kushana Empire rapidly disintegrated means separated into number of small principalities. குஷான பேரரசு வேகமாக சிதைவுற்று பல சிற்றரசாக மாறியது. Do you know the world famous life-size statues of Buddha at Bamiyan Valley on the mountains of the northwestern frontiers of ancient India, currently in central Afghanistan and recently it was destroyed by Taliban, were carved out of the solid rocks by the dedicated artists of the Gandhara school of art during the post-Mauryan period. Rulers of Indo-Greeks. Demetrius I. He was the son of Greco-Bactrian rulers Euthydemus. He was king of Macedonia from 294 to 288 BCE, that is before Common Era. Numismatic evidence. Numismatic means study of coins. So coin evidence proves that Demetrius issued bilingual coins with the Greek on the obverse and Kharosthi on the reverse. Menander. He was one of the best known Indo-Greek kings. He is said to have ruled a large kingdom in the northwest of the country. His coins were found over an extensive area ranging from Kabul Valley and Indus River to western Uttar Pradesh. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.